This tutorial will show you how to get a free Capcut AI talking avatar completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1, assuming you have Capcut PC open and you want to get a free Capcut AI avatar. Go to the top left hand screen and scroll all the way to the right until you see the option AI avatars. Now, Capcut has updated this, but basically you want to click an AI avatar. Unfortunately, the AI avatars that have real faces that does not have a transparent background, such as these ones, they are going to cost, but if you want the free version, I'll show you how to do that. Click the bottom down or the drop down arrow. This Capcut avatar has a transparent background, so we can apply this and add it in completely for free by clicking next. Type in whatever you want your free Capcut AI avatar to say. And once you're happy and satisfied, before you click generate, scroll down and click one of the voices you would like to apply. Wait for Capcut PC to generate your free AI avatar. Oh, what the